Good morning and Jai Hind. In this video, we are going to study a comprehension named Henry's Adventure. Let us read this story. Read this amusing story of an unusual pet and the trouble he created one day. So, this is a story of a pet who is very unusual and how that pet has created trouble on one day. Henry did not cause any trouble in our house, but he did create something like a riot on the nursery school down the road. It happened like this. So, here the name of the pet is Henry, and the author owns that pet, who is very peaceful, and that pet Henry doesn't create any trouble to anyone. But one day, how it has created a trouble in a nursery school, let us see how it has been happened. When the papayas in our garden were ripe, grandmother usually sent a basket of them to her friend Mrs. Ghosh, who was the principal of the nursery school. On this occasion, Henry managed to smuggle himself into the basket of papayas when no one was looking. So, in the author's grandmother usually sent papayas to her friend Mrs. Ghosh, who is a principal of nursery school, and on this occasion, the Henry, who was the pet of the author, was managed to hide in the basket of papaya, and when no one was looking at him. So what happened next? He did have a cage for his own, but was seldom in it. That means usually the Henry doesn't stay or doesn't remain in its cage. He used to roam freely in the house. The gardener dutifully carried the papayas across to the school and left them in Mrs. Ghosh's office. So, a gardener was appointed to carry away the papayas to the school of Mrs. Ghosh. So, the gardener dutifully carried the basket of papaya and leave that basket in Mrs. Ghosh's office. When Mrs. Ghosh came in after making her rounds, she began admiring and examining the papayas. Out popped Henry. So, after some time, when Mrs. Ghosh returned back after taking rounds in the school, she noticed the basket and she admired the quality of papaya, or the papayas which was sent by the author's grandmother, and suddenly she looked at Henry, who was popping from the basket. Next is Mrs. Ghosh screamed. Henry would probably have liked to blush a deep red, but he turned bright green instead, as that was the color of papayas. So, after watching the Henry in the basket, Mrs. Ghosh got scared and she started shouting, and because of Mrs. Ghosh, the Henry, it may be that Henry got little bit frightened. Then Henry changes his color into a bright green, as the color of papaya was also bright green, and Henry also changed its color into bright green to hide himself among the papayas. I think now you may understand who was Henry. Mrs. Ghosh's assistant, Miss Daniel, rushed in, took one look at the chameleon and joined in the screaming. As Mrs. Ghosh screamed, after listening, Mrs. Ghosh, the Mrs. Ghosh assistant, Miss Daniel, arrived in the room in the office, and she also looked at the chameleon, and she also started screaming along with Mrs. Ghosh. So Mrs. Chameleon, that means Henry was a chameleon here, who may change its color according to its surroundings. Henry took fright and fled from the office, running down the corridor and into one of the classrooms. Now, after looking all the scenario over here, the Henry got little bit frightened, and because of this, Henry also started running from there, and after running through the corridor, Henry entered into a classroom, one of the classroom there. There he climbed onto the desk while the children ran in all directions. As Henry entered into the classroom and climbed over one of the desks, the children who were sitting, who were studying over there in the classroom, they got frightened and they were running here and there due to fear. Some off to get away from Henry, some to catch him. Some students were frightened enough, they were running away from Henry, and some were approaching Henry to catch him. But Henry made his exit from the window and disappeared in the garden. So what happened, that as all this was going in a classroom, Henry got the chance to exit from the window. He goes out from the window and he disappeared in the garden. Nobody can understand where he went. Grandmother heard all about the incident from Mrs. Ghosh, but did not tell her that the chameleon was ours. This whole instance was described by Mrs. Ghosh to the author's grandmother. After listening all the story, author's grandmother didn't told Mrs. Ghosh about the chameleon, that it was their pet. I did not think Henry would find his way back to us, because school was 3 houses away. Now the author thinks that maybe they are not going to see Henry again, as Henry may got lost, and there were 3 houses between the author's house and the nursery school. So it may be difficult for Henry to reach or to come back to the author's house again. But 3 days later, I found him sunning himself on the garden wall. He readily accepted food from my hand and allowed himself to be recaptured. So 3 days passed away, and then the author found Henry on the wall of a garden, and who is enjoying the sunlight. Then author offered some food to Henry, and the Henry readily accepted the food. He ate the food, and he allowed himself to be recaptured. So now the Henry is back to his home and back to the author. So with this, I am going to end this video. Thank you.